Why is everyone currently buying this MERACH rowing machine? This thing is absolutely amazing, and I'm going to show you the features of it in a second. But I want to tell you, I think what the primary reasons are everyone is buying this rowing machine right now. First of all, MERACH has completely hijacked Amazon. They are blowing up. All of their different cardio machines are absolutely blowing up, and they have a really good fitness ecosystem. So this thing actually comes with an app that actually tracks everything you're doing. So you can also run through classes, and these are all free. They're not subscription services. So the amazing thing with this MERACH rowing machine is you can do manual. We have the manual one, but you also have the automatic version, which is more digital and can interact with the app. Our manual one, all you do to adjust the resistance level is just like that. Super simple and easy to use. If you have one of the more digital outreads, that'll actually hook in with your app. And when you're running through a class, it'll automatically adjust the resistance for you. Just a cool feature. But another cool thing, your feet are easily going to go into place there, and you're not going to have to worry about them sliding off, which is amazing. And then right up here, what you're going to see is you're going to see your calorie count. You're going to see your distance. You're going to see your time and all of that kind of stuff. And I'll just kind of give you guys a vibe. Now, this thing is absolutely amazing, and it's super smooth too. It's actually extremely smooth. Like, I've used a lot of different rowing machines. I love it. Just has a very smooth vibe to it. Also very compact. I love the app compatibility, but I also love that when you're done, it easily stores upright like this, which is definitely another big selling point. So, did I say the main reason? Like that, okay, it's currently selling. Okay, so here's the real reason you're probably gonna want to go with one of these. Currently selling, I think it's like well over 3,000 per month right now. 3,000 units per month of these are selling. And I think it's like over 2,700 4.5 to 5-star reviews. So this thing's selling like crazy. People are loving it like crazy. I understand why.